The first step is to turn the solder iron on. You want this at about 250 to 300 degrees Celsius. Allow it to warm up, and while it's warming up, apply the flux to the component you wish to remove. Use a small screwdriver. Identify the part and apply to the end of the solder. Take your sponge and clean the end of your soldering iron. Prep your soldering gun or your solder sucker. Apply it to the leg gently and suck. Sometimes takes a few goes. And there you go. Now take your pliers. Sometimes you may require a little more heat. And voila!